Okay, hello students, my name is Mr. P and welcome to Progress Academy. So today I'll be teaching us maths. So do you know that there are actually 4 methods we use in multiplication for long multiplication? We have the American method, the British method, we have the Chinese method, which is the Lattice method, and we have the Japanese method, which is the line method. So today I'll be teaching us the 4 methods. We have been 2-digit multiplication of 2 digits, 12 times 31. So if you're having 12 times 31, so this first method I'm teaching here is the American method. So the one that you use to multiply is the multiplier. The one that is being multiplied is called the multiplicand. So how do we multiply? The American method is the one we are taught in the lower grade and basic school, commonly used method. So 1 we times this digit and 3 we times the digit. So 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. So the next one we times, so 3 we times 2 is 6. We write it towards the left place. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Then the next thing we do is to add, right? So 2, 7, then 3. So the answer is 3702. And that is the American method, which is one we commonly use even across the world. But people have forgotten, or they don't know, that there is a method called the British method. So that's what I'm here to teach you. So we have 12 times 31. So it is similar, this method is similar to the American method, but we'll move our values towards the right hand side. Let's check it out. And we're going to start our multiplication from here. Here we started from here we start from the left. So 3 we times 2, that is 6. 3 we times 1, that is 3. The next one is what? 1. So 1 we times 2. Are we writing it here? No. We are displacing it towards the right. So that is the difference. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add it up. 3, 7, 2. You can see we got the same thing. So the difference is that what? British method goes towards the right. American method goes towards the left. And here we start from the left hand side towards to multiply the values. Then here we start from the right hand side to multiply the values. So we get the same answer. Then up to the next method is the Japanese method. So the Japanese, we also call that the line method, use of lines, and it's a very simple method. So we are timesing 12 with 13. Let's not forget 12 times 31. I beg your pardon. So we bring the first line 1, draw a single line, the second line 2, draw 2 lines. And we are passing with the multiplier. Then 3, we are across 3 lines. Then 1, we are across 1 line. So the junctions where this line meets, we'll put dots. So these are their intersection points. Intersection point. Then finally, we stroke diagonal circles in order to locate our number. So the first intersection point is this, that is 3. The second intersection point towards the diagonal part is this. So how many lines do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. And the last intersection point is what? 2. You can see we got the same thing. And finally, the Chinese method. The Chinese method. So the Chinese method is also called the Lattice. The Lattice method. Now watch closely. So we are timesing 2-digit value, 12 times 3. So we draw a box, and we divide into 4 parts. Since we're having just 4, 2-digit, that is 4. So divide into 4 parts. So the one that is being multiplied, that is the multiplicand, will be up here 1 and 2, and the multiplier will be here 3 and 1. And finally, we draw strokes, diagonal strokes, passing through the center. Make sure yours pass through the center. Good. And finally, this. So let's try that. So our multiplier, 3 times 2 is 6. So we write 0, 6. If it was 2-digit, of course, just put it. But since it's just 6, 0, 6, then 3 times 1 is 3, 0, 3. Then the next one, 1 times 2 got 2. 0, 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. That we got 0, 1. So along this diagonal line, let's put our value. So along this diagonal line, we have what? 2. Along here, 6, 0, 1. That is what? 7. Addition. And the addition of all this one is what? 3. Then 0 is nothing. You can see we have the value. So which of these multiplication methods do you enjoy solving? Which of them do you think is interesting? So I would like you to subscribe to my channel, follow, comment, so that I can see more videos like this. Thank you.